Right, today I'll be installing the Nest thermostat. It's my junction box. We'll get the coil for hot water and coil for central heating from here, and we'll mount it just around here. So here's my Nest heat link all connected now. You got live and neutral. On 3 you got coil for heating, and on 6 you got coil for hot water. Right, so this is the plan. The thermostat's going to be mounted there, and the wire's going to run underneath the floorboard and all it up to the control panel up here. And on the control panel, we're going to use this. We're going to use this cable here, which is for calling for hot water, and this brown cable here, which is calling for central heating. And we got a live and neutral connection here. So I have connected my Nest Hink to the junction box, and up here we got coil for hot water. Down here we got coil for heating. Here is the live going to Nest heat link, and here's the neutral which I jumped for the Nest heat link. And here's a cable going all the way down up here. So now my plan is to test the Nest heat link, make sure everything's working fine. Once I'm happy with it, I will disconnect the program and the old thermostat which is upstairs. Alright guys, I've set the Nest thermostat now. I've tested the hot water and the central heating, and it works as I want it to be, and it works absolutely fine. So now I'm going to tidy things up a bit. I want to mount the Nest thermostat on the wall there, make some notches to let the wire go underneath the floorboard, remove the old thermostat, which is this one here, and remove the program as well. Okay, so here's my old program, which is all disconnected now, not in use, and my old thermostat, which is going upstairs, all disconnected, not in use. And I ran the new power and the new program cables underneath the floor box to my new Nest heat link. I just need to tidy up the cables a bit, but everything seems to be working fine.